Hello, and welcome to today's book reading class. This video tutorial is designed to encourage you to pick up a copy of this book and read it. Today, we'll look at The Five Findouters, another wonderful adventure mystery children's book series. The author is Enid Blyton. The five Findouters and dog in their village of Peterswood, on Bourne End, near Marlow, Buckinghamshire, solve a mystery almost every school holiday. The five Findouters are Fatty, Larry, Pip, Daisy, and Bets. Buster, Fatty's dog, is also present. They generally solve the case before Mr. Goon, the local village cop who, much to their displeasure, continually interferes with their investigations. Superintendent Jenks is a friend of the five Findouters. The Mystery of the Missing Man is the title of today's book. It was first released in 1956. It is the 13th book of the Five Findouters' 15-part mystery series. Mr. Tolling is a coleopterist, beetle lover. Mr. Tolling, Fatty's father's old school friend who comes to stay with the Trottevilles for a week so he may attend the coleopterists conference at a fair in Peterswood. Mr. Tolling resembles a beetle in appearance, a little man with a thick black beard, large glasses, and a dark suit. He's likable, albeit a little boring, because he's always talking about beetles and how intriguing they are. Eunice, Mr. Tolling's daughter, has also arrived to visit. A dangerous criminal is on the run. Fatty is on a diet in preparation for next term's first tennis team, so he takes up cross-country running. Chief Inspector Jenks informs the Findouters that a dangerous criminal who is also a master of disguise and has an interest in insects is on the loose. The conference is ideal for a man in hiding, who the cops are searching for everywhere, especially because he enjoys nature, insects, and cats. So, with Chief Inspector Jenks' permission, the Findouters keep an eye out for this missing man, with Eunice acting as a stumbling block and having fun with Mr. Goon, who is also on the search for the missing man in disguise. Eunice is domineering. During her visit, Fatty is expected to entertain her, and she's eager to partake in whatever Fatty and his friends are up to. She is, however, bossy, and her highly efficient, incredibly helpful attitude irritates Fatty and the others for some reason. Eunice, on the other hand, soon assists Fatty in uncovering the riddle after getting to know him better. Fatty suspects that the criminal will be in the fair held in the village. Fatty and the others try to investigate suspicious people at the fair such as Bert the Clown, Joseph, Lucida, and their sad-looking grandmother. Where is the criminal? Is he in disguise, and if so, who is he? Who was helping in hiding the criminal, and where? To find the answers, you have to read this fantastic book, and assist the five Get-Outers in solving this mystery. Your responses can be written in the comments section. BookLuv recommends you to read this book. This video tutorial is intended to motivate you to get a copy of the book and read it. Do you want to discover more about the other fantastic adventures of the five Findouters? You can click the playlist for Findouters series button on your screen and watch the video of their other adventures. Goodbye, and happy reading!